complete beginner, no design experience, no existing audience, is making $1,200 per month selling Notion templates. They built every single template using Claude AI. They sell every template on Gumroad for free to list. And they get every customer from YouTube. Today, their exact system, replicated step by step. You do not need any Notion experience. Claude builds the entire structure in under 60 seconds. You just copy, paste, done. Open Claude. Use this prompt. Build me a detailed Notion template for a monthly budget tracker. Include income tracking, fixed and variable expenses, savings goals with progress tracking, and a weekly spending log. Claude delivers the full structure, every section, every column. Open Notion. Follow Claude's structure exactly. Clean formatting, simple design. First template, 2 to 3 hours. After that, 1 hour. That is your product, ready to sell. Listed on Gumroad, completely free. Live in 10 minutes, selling worldwide by tonight. Pricing, start at $9. 10 reviews, raised to 12. 50 reviews, raised to 15. Use Claude to write your product description. Use Canva for your cover image. Dark background, bold text. 2 minutes. Publish. Done. A great product with no traffic earns nothing. YouTube is your permanent sales machine. Every video you post works for you while you sleep. Make videos that solve the same problem your template solves. How to stop overspending using a free Notion tracker. I tracked every expense for 30 days. Here's what I found. The budget system that actually works for beginners. Every description. 1 free template link. 1 paid template link. Free gets you email subscribers. Paid gets you sales. Both compound. Every single month. 1 video per week. By month 6, 20 videos. Each one sending buyers to Gumroad. 80 to 100 sales per month. Passively. 1 template is a start. 6 templates is a business. Build 1 new template every month. Budget tracker, content calendar, freelance client tracker, habit tracker, business dashboard. Then, bundle all 5 at $35. 6 templates, 24 hours of total work, $1,200 every single month, forever. That is the honest power of digital products, combined with AI and YouTube. Pick a topic, use Claude, list on Gumroad, make 1 YouTube video. That is it. Your business starts today. Subscribe. New video every Monday. See you then.